Pennine Bridleway. Hi folks, so today I'm doing the Settle Loop, which technically is part of the Pennine Bridleway, and the Pennine Bridleway is 205 miles, but a lot of that includes these loops, and as I said, the Settle Loop, which is actually 10 miles long. But if you was doing the Pennine Bridleway, I don't think you'd spend time doing this, as it's off on a loop to the east. Having done the Pennine Bridleway, I've come back to do this particular loop and to explore and see what it has to offer. So yeah, let's talk it, Nigel. Let's get walking. So this here is the old shooting range, which was put in place in 1837 because we were a bit worried about the French invading, so we had to get a bit of target practice in, and it's used again in the First War to train troops, and then the Home Guard used it in the Second World War. But I believe it's not been used since. So yeah, this is what all these bits and pieces are. Where we've come from, and in fact we have a finger post here saying that Cecil's 2 miles. The other point of interest is that we're following the Dales Highway just for part of the route, and we're now coming to Stockdale Road. Now on the map this is shown as like a bridleway rather than a road, so I bet it's a road to the farm that's along this way. So we've done about half a mile on the road. And as it says there, we're heading towards Malham, but we are not actually going into Malham. You could add an extra, I think it's 3 miles to the loop if you went into Malham. So you could do a 13-miler. As opposed to the 10 that I've planned. Until now we've been heading in an easterly direction, but we're now going to head north. And you can see we're still on the Pennine Bridleway. And in a while, yep, we'll see Malham Tarn. Just see that in the distance. This is the remains of Napa Cross. And originally it would have sat on a bridleway, and it's believed it would have been part of crosses that were marking the way between Fountain Abbey and Paley Bridge. Right, onward we go. So we're going to be heading west now, back to Settle, and we're leaving the Dales Highway behind. Thanks for your company. So I have ended up doing this loop anti-clockwise. There's no particular reason other than I knew I would see a bit of the sunrise being that side over. Very bizarrely ahead I can see a cow. Assume that's maybe the farmer. Otherwise it's a very strange place to park. So if you're rubbish at navigation, this is the one to do. It's very straightforward. It's easy bridleway all the way, and it's only 1,600 feet of ascent for the 10 miles. Honestly, it's really straightforward. So you shouldn't get lost. Oh dearie. I think I'll go this way. Oh. Thank you. That's where we come from, and the last 2 miles into Settle now. You may recall this is where I went onto the fells with the sign to Malham. Thanks for joining me on the Cecil Loop. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. And don't forget, please subscribe, make all that effort worthwhile. And of course, thumbs up, and I'll see you again, hopefully one day, on the fells.